Hi, this video is about how to change a wallpaper on your iPhone. This should be a very quick tutorial. First, you turn on your iPhone. You go to Settings. From Settings, you will scroll down over to Wallpaper. You see that over here? From Wallpaper, you say Choose New Wallpaper. From choosing new wallpaper, you get to select any photo that you have. If you have a bunch of photos, it would also show up here too as well. I'm going to pick the live, and you pick the one particular screen that you want to indicate. From here, you press set. From set, it says, would you like to choose this for the lock screen, the home screen, or both? Choosing lock, it will only show up when you're locked and not when it's open. A home screen or both. I'm going to select both. Now it's set. Turn iPhone off. Turn it back on. See it on the home screen, or rather on the lock screen. And when you open it up, it's also on. Oh, one more thing. So let's just say you don't want the home screen to be the same thing as your lock screen. Go back to Settings. From Settings, go back to Wallpaper. This time hit New again, New Wallpaper. Choose a different still frame. This time now, you hit Set. Instead of saying both, say for Set Home Screen. Now that's going to be for my home screen. And now, if you reset, this is going to be for my lock screen, and voila, that is for my home screen. So that's how you set up for your home screen and your lock screen, or both. Glad you enjoyed this video. Thank you.